Morning, YouTube. Crystal Lock and Stock. Got another unboxing this morning. It's been a while since we had one. It's only because everything that's coming lately, I've already done an unboxing on. This is the Wesson M&P 380. The EZ. That's what it is. The EZ. It's actually for a customer who also has an office in this office building. So let's check it out. This is good. Of course, it's not loaded. Magazine is empty. You can tell the chamber flag is in there, so there's nothing in the chamber. Let's set that to the side. I'll show you what you got. Having not ordered one before, and everyone I've run into only had one magazine, so this is there's one mag there. You also get another 8-round mag. It's a 380 auto, so that's why it looks like this. That little pin that assists you in loading the rounds in. I like that. But just to be safe, he wanted 3 mags anyway, so we ordered one extra one. So he has a total of 3 as well. For safety, we got you. I'll just show you that. Just keep pulling it out. Lock. Also on the side you have this Allen key. I'm not sure what that's for, but it came with it. But it's nothing extra. So in there, your manual, California firearms warning, and your registration card. So got a few things in there, but yeah, like I said, I like this grip back here, this little grip safety. It's not much you can do until that's fully depressed. Like I couldn't rack it, couldn't pull the trigger, and it racks really easy. And hence I'm thinking the name EZ 380. So it says the 380 Shield EZ. So the 2.0. It's nice. I like the way it feels in your hand. You don't need really, even with my big hand, you don't really need a grip extension, but a magazine extension. Nice sights. 3-dot. Kind of oiled up pretty much how they send in those blue bags. So, yeah. It's a good little one for ones I haven't had in a while. Anything really different, but it's pretty good. I appreciate y'all checking it out. Shoot me any questions. Shoot me anything that'll help me. I've never owned one, so help the new owner. I appreciate it.